Guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we're gonna just go through a few of the exercises which are there in this worksheet. So first we're doing the biology worksheet. Next we'll do chemistry. So first, each cell makes enzyme sucrose. Sucrase catalyst, the breakdown of sucrose to glucose and fructose. Enzymes are made up of protein. So explain the shape of a sucrose molecule. It's related to its function. So first, we have to talk about the shape of the sucrose molecule. It allows it to fit only with sucrose at its axis site. This specific fit enables the enzyme to break sucrose into glucose and fructose. Okay? Researchers have devised a process of artificial photosynthesis. They use 4 nanoparticles as a catalyst to utilize green light to convert carbon dioxide to fuels such as propane. So now they're asking us to suggest the advantage to the environment of using artificial photosynthesis on a large scale. So this is a kind of difficult question as I got the answer as reduces CO2 levels as it will help a lot by converting green light to convert carbon dioxide. And second answer that it produces more clean fuel. Okay. Now we are at the third question. So the kidneys are example. Example of organs that help the body to maintain constant internal health. Explain how negative feedback controls the blood glucose concentration of a person is not for a day. So these are all the important stuff we need to talk about. So first, the pancreas detect the low level and release glycogen. This chemical tells the liver to convert glycogen into glucose and release it into the blood. This raises blood glucose level back to normal and the glycogen stops secretion. Okay? Now let's just go to the this is like among the easiest function of rods and cones in the eye. First of all, rods help us see in dim light and they are responsible for white and black vision. They do not detect color but are very sensitive to light. Cones are responsible for sharp details do not detect color but are very sensitive to light. Okay? And cones are responsible for sharp details and allows color vision, and it only functions in bright light. Okay. These 4 marks, so it consists of 4 points. Like rods help see in dim light and are responsible for black and white vision. They do not detect color but are very sensitive to light. That is almost 3 points. And the 4 point scores are responsible for sharp details and color visions. Let's move on. Fifth. Two identical potted plants were used to investigate plant response. Plant A was placed on a clinostat and continuously rotated. Plant B was not rotated. Both plants were then placed on their sides and kept in the dark. The diagram shows the two plants at the start of the experiment and after 7 days. So this is at the start, and after 7 days it just grew taller. Only plant A, and plant B it rose up. Explain how a plant hormone causes the response for plant B. This one will come back at last. So the function answer is the suspensory ligament holds lens in place, which is also the diagram G. You can see G over here. And this is circular muscle. It's J. The circular muscle is around here. And cornea, of course, everyone knows. It reacts to light in the eye. C. And foria. It contains a high density of cones for color vision, which is around here. F. The main. So, the role of insulin is a very important question, and there's 4 marks. Insulin is released by the pancreas when blood glucose level are high in the blood flow. There are 4 points in this. As you can see, insulin is released by the pancreas, and when blood sugar are high / glucose level are high in the blood flow. Okay, our biology homework is finished. Biology is one of the easiest subjects for me. And now we come to a very hard part. Okay? Um, Aluminium reacts with oxygen to form an amphoteric oxide. State what is meant, meant so hello, hello. So let us continue. So the meaning is it means that it can react with acids and bases. So it means that it can react with acids and bases. The reaction between aluminum oxide and aqueous sodium hydroxide forms a salt containing the negative ion AlO2. The only other product is water. According to me, I got the answer as Al2O3 plus 2NaOH is 2NaAlO2 plus H2O. Okay. Second question. Phosphorus oxychloride has a formula POCl3. The phosphorus oxide is the only product of the reaction between phosphorus chloride PCl5 and phosphorus 5 oxide P4O10. Write a chemical equation the reaction between phosphorus 5 chloride and phosphorus 5 oxide. So this is a kind of confusing question. They expect you to take confused, but you should not. The answer is 6PCI5 plus P4O10 is 4POCI3. Give the formula